Hey, welcome to the video. I got a call here for a heat pump that was hardwired. Told him this was a disconnect, but lo and behold, here we go. So that's the first thing. This is a lot of the things you come across of in service work. So no connector on the back. We've already verified power's off. You have copper to aluminum. And a wire nut is not considered a disconnect. So this is for a little heat pump unit. And right here is how we size the circuit and the ampacity, because it's on a 50 amp breaker. But right here you can see max fuse or max circuit breaker ampacity, 30 amps. So we're going to swap the breaker and the panel out to an HACR breaker rated at 30. And we are going to put in a little pull-out disconnect right here. So they have a disconnecting means, and we're going to patch that up also. So, yeah. This is what you run across in service work quite often.